the number 112.011. Let this be in base 3. What we want to do to this expression written here is to convert this to a number in base 10. Now, if you look at this, you will notice that there are two parts to this number. The first part is the whole numbered part, while the second part is the decimal part. Now, we are going to first of all apply our operation to the whole number part before treating the decimal part. So to do that, the very first thing we are going to do is to convert 112 base 3 to a number in base 10. That will give us the whole numbered answer. So if we do that, it is going to be 1 multiplied 3 squared, since there are 3 digits that make up the whole numbered part. So the highest power of the base will be 2. Plus 1 multiply the same 3 to the power of 1, and plus 2 multiply 3 to the power of 0. Now if we simplify this part, 3 squared gives us 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. Add 3 to the power of 1 gives us 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. And add 3 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. So on the whole numbered part, we have 9 add 3, 12. 12 add 2, 14. It's going to be 14 whole number for the part without the decimal. Now to solve the decimal part, one thing that can help you here is to remember your place value chart whenever you are dealing with decimal numbers. Remember, for instance, you have a number 0.2 in base 10 and you want to place it on the place value chart. The 0 stands in the whole numbered place, but the 0.2 goes in the decimal place, which is the same thing as 2 upon 10 or 10 to the power of negative 2. You get the point. We're going to apply exactly the same strategy as we're going to solve this problem. So on this part, the highest power is going to be negative 1. The highest power starts right from the first digit after the decimal point, which is this way. So our addition continues as 0 times 3 in the power of negative 1. Add 1 times 3 in the power of negative 2. Add 1 times 3 again in the power of negative 3. Now let's simplify. So here our plus sign comes down. 0 multiplies anything is 0, so there's no need stressing yourself here. 1 multiplied 3 raised to the power negative 2. First, 3 raised to the power negative 2 by law of indices is the same thing as 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. Yeah? 3 raised to the power 2. 1 multiply it remains 1. Yeah? 1 multiply it remains the same thing. Add, this is 3 raised to the power negative 3, which is obviously going to change to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3. 1 multiplies the same thing, it remains the same thing. So at this spot, what we have now is we are adding 1 upon 3 squared is 9. Add 1 upon 27. You're following, yeah? Now we can simply express this part as fraction. So if we bring it down, we have 14 whole number. Add 9 can be expressed as 27 by multiplying by 3. So 9 times 3 down here is 27, and 1 times 3 is 3. So it means we have 3 upon 27 and 1 upon 27. 3 add 1 gives you 4. 4 upon 27, which cannot be broken down further. So since you have 14 and 4 upon 27, you can simply write that as 14 whole number 4 upon 27. All of them are in base 10. This becomes your final answer. Or you can write this as a decimal number, like 14 point. When you use your calculator to check out 4 divided by 27, is going to give you 0.148148, a repeated number. So you can simply express it as 148 to base 10. Then make us know that this is in 3 decimal places. This is solved. So your answer can be left this way or this way. You can also write it without writing the base 10 since it's already expressed thus. Did you get that point clear?